Hello everybody, today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy A51 color white prism whites. So let's open the box. So this is the international version, the 6 GB version, 128 GB of storage. So let's open the box. I'm gonna use my knife. Let's take the plastic off the device. Now let's open the box. I have a small paper here. Now we can open the box. So let's open it. First we see, what is this? Some delivery tickets. See what else is in the box. Let's open this box. I think I opened it the wrong way. So we have the silicone case, transparent, decent quality. Have the usual books, warranty card, the user guide, and what is this? It's an English. Some support numbers. Okay. We have the SIM ejector tool included. Nice. Now let's see the device. Sealed. So it has a Infinity O display, quad camera, on-screen fingerprint, color prism white. So let's peel off the plastic. I'm really bad at this. Okay. Great looking device. Let's see the effect. Rainbow effect. Great stuff from Samsung. We have the USB Type-C port, the headphone jack, the speaker grill. We have the screen. It comes with no screen protector, as I can see. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. I have, I think, a bit of plastic here. Here in the top, the bottom, yes, in the bottom as well. and on the sides. Okay, great stuff, great design, quad camera. Okay, let's take a look at what else we have in the box. Okay, the charger. So let's see the watt, how many watts. It's 9 volts. I guess 15 watts charger. Okay, you see the earbuds. Let's open these earbuds. I think I seen them before. I think this is a low budget earphones, not very special, not like AKG or so. It's budget phone, we can understand that. And we have also the USB Type-C cable. Long long cable, good. Let's okay, the device I'm using to check this video is the Huawei Y9 2019 version. So I paid like the equivalent of 310 bucks for this 6 GB version. So let's boot up the phone. Let's take another look at the back. Yes, it takes a fingerprint easily, but not very much after it disappears. I like this effect. Okay, let's boot up the device. Nice vibration there. Powered by Android, secured by Knox. Taking a while to boot up. It's in French. So I will choose French for this video, but after that I will use English for the upcoming videos to talk about the device, the features. Now let's set it up in French. I will explain. It's confidentiality, terms and conditions. Let's accept all that and hit next. So I will skip Wi-Fi. Ignore. Copy applications and data from other device. I will skip that. So hour and date, we are 27th of November. Yes, accept. Google services, accept. protect my phone with like pin code, password, fingerprint. I would ignore that as well. So Jumia is the where I bought the device. It's 3,172 Moroccan dirhams. So it's like around 300 bucks, 300 and 310 bucks. I hit next. Samsung account. I will ignore that as well. Ignore. Finish. Okay, the device is booting up. Great. I think they set up the display saturation to natural, I guess. Let's set it up to vivid mode. I go to screen. Screen, yes. I don't find the saturation. It's not here. Let's take another look. So it's here. Screen mode. It's natural, as I said. Now I set up to vivid mode. With vif in French. Okay, let's exit that. It comes bundled with it comes with the Netflix app installed, Spotify, Bixby, application drawer. Okay. So the initial impression, I'm very satisfied about this device. I think it's a good looking device. I'm looking forward to make more videos about it and share with you my experience. So let's take a final look. The rear, sides. So we have the power button, the volume rocker here, quad camera, Samsung logo. As you can see, the fingerprints, but they disappear quickly. Okay, you see here no buttons, only the SIM tray. You can see the camera here. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the video here and set up my device and prepare the next videos I'm gonna do about it. Yes, so goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and ask me any questions you have about the device. So you can see here the always on display. Great stuff. Okay, so goodbye to the next video.